WTOP Pick.
Watching News Channel 2 Weekend Today with Katrina Smith.
Welcome and good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Katrina Smith on this chilly Sunday morning. It is January 21st. Really quick programming note, no 6 p.m. local news tonight, so don't look out for that then. You can join News Channel 2's Ben Kinney at 11. Meteorologist Jill Reel is in tracking those overnight temperatures, low temperatures overnight.
Yeah, and it's not just the temperature, but just like on Saturday, we're talking about the wind chill. So if you step outside, don't look at the actual temperature, look at the feels like temperature, because that's what it's going to feel like on you.
And you'll feel it.
Yes, definitely. It'll wake you up this morning. We are starting off at 6 degrees at Griffiths Park, but as we just talked about, feels like 3 below zero, and we're not the only ones dealing with those wind chills. 15 below zero at Saranac Lake. As Katrina was just talking about, the wind chill in Buffalo is at 3. So if you're heading out to the game later today, bundle up. It's going to be cold. 4 below in Albany and 9 in Hamilton. Still tracking just a few light snow showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, primarily in southern Madison and into Shenango counties. Otherwise, we're actually going to see a little bit of sunshine as we head towards the afternoon, but it's going to be cold for today. A big warm up this week, though. I'll track those temperatures coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. Early this morning,
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
We are starting off this morning with mostly cloudy skies and a few flurries across the region. Kind of a cool scene right now at our Nexus Center camera because the sun is out, but if you look closely, you can also see some flurries. So we are dealing with kind of unusual weather for this morning, but the big story isn't the sun or the flurries. It's those cold temperatures. We are starting off in the single digits across the region. Officially in downtown Utica, we are at 8 degrees, but at Griffiths Park, we're at 3 below. That's what it feels like outside. So it is cold, but you factor in the wind, it's even colder across the region. So our temperatures starting off this morning, we're at 0 in Lowville, 1 below 0 in Big Moose, 0 in Inlet. So if you're heading up north, maybe snowmobiling, skiing, bundle up for today. Even though air temperatures will be close to 20, you factor in that wind chill, it's going to feel like below 0 for most of the day. 8 in Westmoreland, 7 in Whitesboro. As we head to the south across the Southern Valley, 7 in Hamilton, 8 in Sherburne, and 3 in Oneonta. So you got to factor in that wind as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon. Do expect wind chills to be below 0. And then as we head towards tonight, that wind is going to subside. So we really aren't going to be dealing with much in the way of a wind chill as we head into tonight, and especially for tomorrow, because tomorrow those temperatures are really going to warm up across the region into the 30s as we head towards Monday afternoon. If you think that's warm, check out this temperature trend. 30s for today and for tomorrow. 40s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We'll be in the mid-40s as we head towards Friday. So again, if you want to enjoy the snow today, tomorrow, Tuesday, your best bets, because the snow is going to begin to melt as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So quiet conditions for the most part on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a few flurries across the region for this morning, but drier air is going to begin to move on in, and that will not only put an end to some snow, but we'll actually see some sunshine later this afternoon, but especially as we head towards Monday before more snow arrives on Tuesday. So on our Skycast, we'll make our way into the upper teens by this afternoon to near 20 degrees, so slightly warmer compared to Saturday. As we head into tonight, not as cold. We'll have cloud cover across the region. So cloudy starts for your Monday with temperatures in the teens. And check this out. Sunshine and temperatures in the 30s as we head towards Monday afternoon. So it's going to feel a lot warmer tomorrow. On top of that, we will see less in the way of wind. So again, for today, 20 degrees is going to be our high. Still dealing with breezy conditions. Tonight, we'll drop back to near 10 degrees and a big warm up for this week. So if you're a snow lover, today, tomorrow, Tuesday are your best days. We're in the mid-40s with rain starting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and for Saturday. So back to our football trivia. I decided to give Katrina a break
from the Earth Science exam questions.
Since the Regents is this week. What is the average ticket price for the Lions-Bucks game today?
You didn't want me to give the kids any answers. I hear you.
Yes.
C, $1,000, because it's playoff, right?
Okay, you think that. That average ticket price is the highest ever for a divisional football game.
Really?
Yes, and the reason why it's so high is the first time the Lions are in a playoff game in 32 years.
Wow, I had a little help from a magician in studio. When there's a magician in studio and he tells you the answer to something, then you take it. It's usually right. Thank you so much, Jill. Going back to those cold temperatures, frostbite signs. Welcome back and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. We have meteorologist Jill Reel in the Weather Center tracking those cold temperatures outside. It's not just the cold temperatures, though. You're talking about wind chill as well this morning.
Yeah, when you get temperatures in the single digits, just a breeze will make you feel a lot colder. So we are factoring that in for this morning. So while the air temperature is above zero, most locations it feels like below zero. So if you want to head out this morning, going to want to bundle up. We are at 6 degrees officially at Griffiths Park, but it feels like 3 below zero for this morning. Again, with that wind out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour. We're not the only ones dealing with that wind chill. 15 below zero. That's what it feels like at Saranac Lake. If you're heading to Buffalo of course, for the big game tonight, bundle up. It feels like 3 right now in Buffalo, 4 below in Albany. Still a few flurries showing up on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar to the south and to the west of Utica as you head into Madison and Shenango counties. Otherwise, do expect mostly cloudy skies for today. Still cold, but we're talking about 40s for next week. We'll look at that forecast coming up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Jill. And
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
A chilly start for your Friday. Temperature starting off in the single digits across central New York. Still stuck with that cloud cover as we take a live look at our Nexus Center camera, but the sun is trying to come out. We will see a little bit more in the way of some sunshine as we head towards this afternoon, but especially as we get closer to Monday. The big story this morning, though, the temperatures. We're sitting at 9 degrees in downtown Utica. But at Griffiths Park, we're at 6. And you factor in that 6, this is what it feels like outside. 3 below zero with that wind out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour. And of course, we're not the only ones dealing with the cold, especially the North Country. Lake Pleasant at 1 degree, 2 in Inlet, 0 in Big Moose. So if you are heading up north this morning to go skiing, snowmobiling, snowshoeing, bundle up because this is the air temperature. So you factor in that wind, it feels a lot colder outside. Even for the Mohawk Valley, we're starting off in the single digits. And as we head to the south across the southern valleys, 5 in Oneonta, 10 in Unadilla, 8 in Cooperstown, and 5 in Skanevis. Then you got to factor in that wind chill. So this is what it's going to feel like outside as we go throughout the morning. So this morning feels like 13 below zero in Old Forge, 11 below zero in Speculator, 7 below zero in Cooperstown. As we head towards this afternoon, temperatures will be climbing to near 20 degrees, but that wind chill will make it feel like the single digits to near 0 degrees for this afternoon. But as we head towards tonight and for Monday, that wind is going to subside, so it's going to feel a lot warmer as we head throughout Monday morning and Monday afternoon. And speaking of warm, for our snow lovers, not the best news. We're going to be in the 40s starting on Wednesday, mid-40s by Friday, and along with these warm temperatures, we're also talking about the potential for some rain in the forecast for the middle and end of the work week. So for today, cloud cover sticking around, some light snow showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we head towards this afternoon, high pressure is going to begin to build on in, and that'll bring some drier air into the region. So as we head towards this afternoon, we'll make it to near 20 degrees. For tonight, not as cold. We will have some extra cloud cover and less wind, so temperatures will drop back to near 10 degrees. So a mild start comparative to the past couple of days for Monday morning. We'll see some sunshine by Monday afternoon, and check out those temperatures in the low to mid 30s by Monday afternoon. But today will be near 20 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Tonight we'll drop back to near 10. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast, again for tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures will be in the 30s for tomorrow. Light snow on Tuesday, maybe an inch or two, but whatever falls is going to melt as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday with the combination of those warm temperatures and rain. So back to our trivia question. Why is the Bills-Chiefs game so significant today?
I'm leaning toward A, but hold on, there's some help coming over. Wait, hold on. Wait, let's see. What is it? It's B. Okay.
See, the power of magic.
B,
It's still in.
road playoff game for Mahomes.
Yes, that is true. So since he started his career in the NFL, he has not had an away game for a playoff game, and tonight will be the first time. I had no idea if Taylor Swift's going to be there. I don't know. It's not going to be the coldest because we had that last week in the Chiefs game, and this will be the 22nd appearance for the Bills in the playoffs.
Process of elimination. I wanna know how
elimination,
my friend Leon figured it out because he came over and whispered it in my ear. Magic rocks, everybody.
There you go.
Guess what? I had no idea. Thank you so much, Jill and Leon. Time now for the Harried Housewife. Today she's whipping up something that is appropriate for the weather. It's a nice chicken vegetable soup. Take a listen.
Real.
We finally saw some sunshine afford today. Gorgeous day, but it was still on the cool side. But things are going to be changing as we head into the work week. The one positive, we're going to start with some sunshine as we head into tomorrow. So do expect some sunshine as we go throughout Monday morning. Increase in clouds by Monday afternoon ahead of our next storm system. This storm system will bring us some widespread light snow for Tuesday throughout the morning into the afternoon. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation. And any snow we do see as we head into Tuesday is going to be long gone by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because we're talking about temperatures back into the 40s as we head towards the middle to end of the work week. And on top of that, we're also going to be tracking some rain. So enjoy the sunshine for tomorrow. After that, we're going to be stuck with overcast skies for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It looks like Friday and into next weekend as well. So for tonight, again, not as cold as previous nights. We'll drop back to near 10 degrees under partly cloudy skies. I'll be tracking those warm temperatures coming up.
It's certainly not uncommon to see a train or two at the Utica.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Jill Rio.
It was a cold weekend across central New York, but we're going to flip gears once again and see a bit of a warming trend as we head into next week. But before we get to that, we're talking about some snow in the forecast, not for tomorrow, but as we head into Tuesday, we do have that chance for some scattered light snow showers across the region. Now, the snow may accumulate between 1 to 2 inches of snow before we make that transition back over to rain. So you notice the chance of precipitation is non-existent for tomorrow because we are going to see that sunshine, but Wednesday and Thursday also no for snowfall because we're going to be tracking some rain across the region. So as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday, do expect rain showers to be moving into the area. Now, we're not talking about a heavy, widespread rain at this point in time. Looks like scattered rain showers for both Wednesday, Thursday, even into Friday. But we're going to keep a close eye on this storm system just to make sure we don't have to deal with any potential flooding issues with the combination of the rain as well as the snow melt as temperatures continue to climb into the 30s and 40s as we head towards the middle and end of the week. Our temperature trend, this is what we're all going to be talking about tomorrow. We see temperatures in the 30s as well as for Tuesday. That's why on Tuesday the precipitation is going to be snow. But as we head towards Wednesday and especially Thursday and Friday, those temperatures are going to soar into the 40s. So once again, we're back to that warming trend as we head towards the middle and end of the week. We could be mid-40s, close to perhaps 50 degrees as we head towards Friday. So a big warm up for the middle of the week. So if you want to enjoy the snow, Monday and Tuesday are your best bets before that warmer air begins to move on in. So on our Skycast for the rest of tonight, we'll see partly cloudy skies, not as cold as previous nights. We'll stay above zero, which is some good news. So at the bus stop tomorrow morning, 10 degrees in Utica, 18 in Boonville, 17 in Little Falls, 11 in Cooperstown. You will notice on our Skycast some breaks in the clouds. We're going to see more in the way of some sunshine as we head towards Monday morning and afternoon. And look at those temperatures. We're out of the freezer. We're going to be above 32 degrees as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we head into tomorrow night, and especially as we get closer to Tuesday, you will notice some snow developing. We're going to see light snow moving from south to north throughout the day on Tuesday. We'll continue for Tuesday evening into Tuesday night before that warm air moves in as we head into Wednesday, making that transition over to some rain. But tonight, quiet weather, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures will drop back to near 10 degrees. Tomorrow, in the 30s under partly sunny conditions. And taking a look at the rest of your forecast as we head towards Tuesday, again, light snow across the region. Just a couple inches of snowfall is to be expected with temperatures in the 30s. We're back into the 40s, though, as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday is your transition day, so we can see a bit of a wintry mix. And then rain for Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the 40s.